In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a daily planner in Notion. And as a bonus, I'll also share how you can access a free template to get started quickly. Let's dive right in and simplify managing your day-to-day tasks with this guide. First things first, you'll want to head over to your connected workspace in Notion. Notion is a powerful tool for organizing your work, and having easy access to your workspace is essential for seamless navigation. Open up a web browser and go to Notion's official website. From there, if you haven't already, take this opportunity to log in. Simply click on the Login button. You can enter your credentials to get into your account. If you haven't set up an account yet, you can sign up for free. And yes, it's a helpful option with plenty of features to offer. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Notion homepage. It's the central hub where you can access all your favorite tools and sections of Notion. Now, here's where we start getting into the nitty-gritty of building that daily planner. Navigate over to the Marketplace. You can typically find this within your Notion home dashboard. The Marketplace is a wonderful place where you can explore various templates and tools created not just by Notion, but also by a thriving community. These templates range from task managers, content planners, to project tracking systems, and yes, daily planners. In the Marketplace, you'll want to use the search bar to look up Daily Planner. This process is straightforward. Typing in exactly what you're looking for can significantly streamline your experience and bring up a range of daily planner templates. These templates are designed to simplify creating a personalized planner that fits your needs. Now, this is where the magic happens. Once you've found a template that catches your eye, simply select it. Each template provides a preview, so you can get a good sense of whether it will work for you before committing. When selecting a template, think about your daily routine, tasks you regularly engage in, deadlines, and other important to-dos. A good planner should reflect all these facets. With your template selected, you're all set to begin customizing. Most templates allow for great flexibility, enabling you to adjust sections, add tags, set reminders, and integrate it with other tools you use daily. So play around a bit, explore the features, and create a system that feels just right for you. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have a functional daily planner in just a few minutes. This process not only saves time, but also sets you up for greater productivity. So give it a go, customize your planner, and watch as your daily efficiency levels rise. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy planning!